Finally! I've been driving for hours. This looks like a nice place to stop and get some coffee.
Welcome to Time's End Café. I'm Henry, the owner of the cafe. What can I get for you today?
Good afternoon. I'm Jordan. This place looks cozy. I'd like a large coffee, please. Black coffee if you have it.
Of course. We have the best coffee in Millbrook. Are you traveling through town?
Yes, I am. I'm driving to Portland for a new job. This seems like a peaceful little town.
Oh, it is. People here are very friendly. You'll love the atmosphere. Please, have a seat anywhere you like.
Thank you. I'll sit over here by the window. The view is beautiful.
Here's your coffee. Fresh and hot, just like you asked.
Perfect. How much do I owe you?
Just $3. Take your time and enjoy. We're open until late tonight.
The weather today is quite unusual for this time of year. I've never seen clouds like these before.
You're right. The sky does look strange today. Are you from around here?
I come here every day. The coffee is always perfect, and Henry takes such good care of everyone.
Henry, these customers seem very regular. Do they come here often?
Oh, yes. They're some of our most loyal customers. They love spending time here. More coffee?
Sure, why not? How long have you owned this cafe?
Time doesn't matter much here. What matters is that people feel welcome. This place has always been special to me.
That's a nice way to think about it. What made you decide to open a cafe?
I've always loved bringing people together. Coffee and conversation. That's what life is about. Don't you think so?
Wait a minute. That woman has been reading the same page of her newspaper for hours. And those other people, they haven't moved from their spots at all.
The weather today is quite unusual for this time of year. I've never seen clouds like these before.
She just said exactly the same thing, word for word. This is really strange. Henry, what time is it? That clock on the wall seems to be stopped.
Time doesn't matter much here. What matters is that people feel welcome.
He said that exact same thing before, too. What's going on here? This doesn't make any sense. Something is definitely wrong here. These people are like robots. They keep repeating the same things over and over.
I love coming here. It feels like time stands still in the most beautiful way.
Time stands still? That's an odd way to put it. And look at that clock. It's still showing 3:47. Has it moved at all since I got here? Henry, something is very wrong here. These people keep saying the same things. What kind of place is this?
Please stay calm. People here are very friendly. You'll love the atmosphere.
He's doing it again. The same responses. It's like they're all programmed or something. I need to figure this out. Henry, do you have Wi-Fi?
Of course, the password is timeless, all lowercase.
Timeless. That's an interesting choice of password. Let me search for this place and see what I can find. Times End Café Millbrook. Let me see what comes up. Oh my God! This can't be real!
Is everything all right? You look like you've seen a ghost.
We need to talk, Henry. Right now. I know what happened to you. I know about the accident.
Accident? I don't know what you mean. Would you like more coffee?
Stop it! Stop pretending! I read about the fire that happened here 3 years ago.
You shouldn't have done that.
A gas leak caused an explosion in the kitchen. You were the only one here that night, working late. You died in this cafe, didn't you?
I don't want to talk about it.
That's why the clock is stopped at 3:47. That's when it happened, isn't it?
I didn't want to be alone. This cafe was everything to me. I worked so hard to make it perfect.
And now, you're keeping these people trapped here. They can't leave, can they? Henry, look at what you're doing to them. They have families, lives, people who love them.
But they were happy here. They liked my coffee, my cafe. I gave them a place to belong.
Against their will. This isn't love, Henry. This is imprisonment.
I was so excited about opening this cafe. I had so many plans, so many dreams.
Tell me what happened that night.
I was working late, preparing for the grand opening. I wanted everything to be perfect. The gas pipe in the kitchen was old, but I thought it would be fine for one more day. I heard a strange sound, like hissing. I went to check, but it was too late. The explosion. I remember seeing the clock and then nothing. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was just so lonely. I died alone in my cafe and I couldn't bear the thought of being alone forever.
Henry, I understand your pain, but you can't force people to stay with you. Real connection comes from choice, not force.
But if I let them go, I'll be alone again. I'll have nothing.
You'll have peace, and you'll have the knowledge that you did the right thing. These people have lives to live, families to return to. Think about why you loved this cafe so much. Was it because you wanted to trap people, or because you wanted to bring them joy?
I wanted to make people happy. I wanted to create a place where people felt welcome and cared for.
Then let them choose to remember you that way. Let them go home with good memories of your coffee and your kindness.
But what if they forget me?
They won't. They'll remember the warmth of this place. They'll remember feeling welcome here. That's a beautiful legacy.
You helped me see the truth. Thank you for making me remember what really mattered.
You're welcome, Henry. Now it's time to let go.
I think it's time for Time's End Café to end.
I can move freely now, but I feel so strange. What happened to me? How long have I been here?
It's okay, everyone. You've been here for a while, but you're safe now. You need to go home to your families.
Home. My grandson. He must be so worried about me, but I can't remember. How did I get here?
Don't worry about that right now. What matters is that you can go home. Do you remember where you live?
Yes, I do. Thank you for helping me, dear. I feel like I've been in a dream.
You're welcome. Be safe getting home.
Jordan, thank you for helping me understand. I was so afraid of being forgotten that I forgot what really mattered.
You won't be forgotten, Henry, and now you can rest.
The cafe. It's yours now if you want it. Maybe you can bring people joy here the right way.
I'm honored, but I have my own journey to continue. Maybe someone else will find this place and give it new life.
Thank you for giving me peace. Time doesn't end. It just begins again.
I'll never forget this place or Henry's story. Time to continue my journey. But Henry was right about one thing. This place will always be special. Rest in peace, Henry. Your cafe served its purpose after all. Portland, here I come. I have quite a story to tell when I get there. And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments. And if you have ideas for future topics, let me know down below. Your feedback really helps shape the next lessons.